Hello, I am Hollis from Hollis' IC Lab, and in today's video I have this IC card, which I'm going to try and fix. I have absolutely no idea what is wrong with it. I just know that it doesn't work. Also, sorry, the audio quality is not the best. I happen to be 3D printing right now, and yeah, 3D printing right next to where you have your filming setup maybe is not the best idea for audio quality. So I'm sorry about that, but I don't really feel like pausing my print because I want it to be done, which you probably understand. So I guess I'll just start working on this and tell you guys if I find anything or what I find. So hopefully I'll be able to fix it. If not, I don't even know if I'll upload this video, so we'll see, but I'll just get to work now. Might time-lapse it unless I find something at a different point, and then I'll just try and explain what I found and show you guys. So I'm just going to start by taking it apart. I just used these little red bins here to collect all the screws so I don't lose any of them. I always find that's just a helpful thing to do while you're working on projects. Okay, the first thing I'm going to test is, does this on and off switch even work? Should also probably test if the battery is working, because I have no idea. Okay, that side is no signal, like it should be. Signal. So that's not the issue. That's too bad. Would have been a nice, easy fix. So I'll just keep working on it. Okay, so now I've taken out all the screws out of that. Let's just try to do this also, I should probably mention I did try to plug it in, so beforehand, starting now. This. Doesn't scale it. So, let's try switching the batteries. Might just be this battery's not working, so let's turn on my soldering. And maybe make it an adapter. Or maybe I'll just solder on a fresh plug. Alright, JST connectors, since I have some 2S LiPo batteries that use JST. connectors. So we'll try that. So I have these 2S LiPo guys with JST connectors. So I'm just waiting for my soldering iron to heat up now. And just to try and solder this JST connector on. So this right here is a soldering iron helping thing that I 3D printed. I found it on Thingiverse. That would be a useful thing to have. So I just made that. It comes in handy for like holding wires and stuff like this. So I could put my soldering iron heat up just a little bit more. But alright, one done. And both done. So that's on the outside. Black wires on the inside. Okay. Now this isn't the nicest soldering job ever. Should probably do it a little better, but this is not going to be all permanent. This is just a way to test this. To make sure this board is even working. There we go. Just double check one more time. Plug the on and off switch on. To the off position. Let's just check with my multimeter quickly to make sure it's not just gonna go up and fire smoke. That is never what I want. It doesn't appear like it's going to. So turn it on. Off now. Put this in. Put this in. Turn it on. Trim's way off. Whoa, actually, I should have foreseen that using a LiPo battery. Okay, all working, so it just needs a new battery. So, in conclusion, that's basically how I test stuff. I just go down different possible options. Probably just do a quick time lapse of me reassembling it, and that'll be all. If you guys want to see more videos kind of like this, where I like try and diagnose stuff like this, figure out what's wrong, and with this it turned out to be the battery. So we'll need to get a new battery, but other than that, it will be working well. So now I'll just quickly time lapse it and then just end the video. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found it educational if you want to try and diagnose it. The main things I suggest doing are checking with the multimeter to make sure like it's working. Check if it's actually turning on and getting power with on and off switches. That can be an issue. And then battery's another big one, which is if you have one with a plug like this, you can do it without even taking it apart, which I would have done, but I couldn't, unfortunately. So those are like the main things to check. Also for water damage, if it's been water, you may need to replace some electronics. So that's all for this video, except for the time lapse of me putting it back together, of course. So I hope you enjoyed, and bye.